Hello students, welcome to the online lecture series organized by Gokhale Education Society's BYK College of Commerce, Nashik. Online lecture series for 12th 2021-22. Subject English. 2.5 Father Returning Home, Dilip Chitre. Poetic Appreciation presented by Mrs. Sharda Nagargoje, Department of English, BYK College of Commerce, Junior College Unit. I would like to welcome you again for the second video on Father Returning Home by Dilip Chitre. Here, in this video, we will learn poetic appreciation of this poem. Before watching this video, I would like to recommend you to watch the previous video about explanation of Father Returning Home, because unless you understand the poem fully, you can't write an appreciation of the poem. Question 3 is on poetry section. Question 3a is on comprehension for 10 marks. Question 3b is on appreciation for 4 marks. Total marks for question 3 is 14 marks. Read the given extract and write the appreciation of the given poem based on the following points: about the poem, poet, title, theme, poetic devices, language, style, values, message, morals. Let us read the poem. My father travels on the late evening train, standing among silent commuters in the yellow light. Suburbs slide past his unseeing eyes. His shirt and pants are soggy, and his black raincoat stained with mud, and his bag stuffed with books is falling apart. His eyes dimmed by age fade homeward through the humid monsoon night. Now I can see him getting off the train like a word dropped from long sentence. He hurries across the length of the grey platform, crosses the railway line, enters the lane. His chappals are sticky with mud, but he hurries onward. Home again I see him drinking weak tea, eating a stale chapati, reading a book. He goes into the toilet to contemplate man's estrangement from a man-made world. Coming out, he trembles at the sink, the cold water running over his brown hands. A few droplets cling to the graying hair on his wrist. His sullen children have often refused to share jokes and secrets with him. He will now go to sleep, listening to the static on the radio, dreaming of his ancestors and grandchildren, thinking of nomads entering a subcontinent through a narrow pass. Let us see the first point of appreciation about the poet. Dilip Chitre was a celebrated bilingual poet and translated with a remarkable work in Marathi and English. His versatile creativity extends to painting, filmmaking, and his notable contribution as a magazine columnist. He received the prestigious Sahitya Academy Award both for poetry as well as for his well known translation work, says Tuka, popular amongst spiritual poems by Saint Tukaram. He had started translation of literary work of saints in Marathi at the age of 16. Exile, alienation, self disintegration, and death are observed to be the major themes of his works. Second point about the poem Father Returning Home by Dilip Chitre is an autobiographical poem taken from Traveling in a Cage, where the poet shows loneliness and worldly weariness of an old man in the modern society by depicting the picture of his own father, a suburban commuter returning home from work. The poem expresses the poet's feeling for his father, wherein he realizes how neglected and uncared for his father despite working hard his whole life. This solitude, in turn, signifies the man's aloofness from the materialistic world made by man. Title of the poem Father Returning Home by Dilip Chitre is a biographical sketch of the poet's father. The title of the poem indicates that the poet is talking about the monotonous routine of his father and having no connections with either the outside world or even his family, and suppresses his emotions as there is no one with whom he can share them. So, the title of the poem is suitable and appropriate. Theme. The poem deals with the theme of alienation or estrangement, isolation, and the dissolution of the self in the man made world. This poem also deals with the miseries of elderly people in big cities. This poem gives us the picture of a sad old man who travels to work by local train every day in Mumbai. He does not feel comfortable in his environment. He is lonely even in crowd. He feels isolated even in his own family. He feels uneasy in his present. So the old man enters into the distant world of the past. Generation gap. The poet also touches the theme of generation gap while the father is selfless and hardworking. Communication gap between adults and youngsters is indeed a major issue. Let us see the poetic devices used in the poem. Simile, alliteration, onomatopoeia, and synecdoche, personification, transferred epithet are the striking figures of speech used in the poem for poetic effect. Language used in the poem, language used by the poet is very simple and straightforward. Poem is full of symbolic expressions. It paints a vivid picture of the tiring routine of the poet's father and communicates his pathetic condition through the use of various descriptive words. Style of the poem. This poem is written in a free verse. Length of the line is uneven. The poem has two stanzas. The poem is of 24 lines. It is written in a simple language. The use of enjambment, where one line of the poem continues into the next line, indicates the succession of the worsening state of the father's condition, whether it's his isolation from the outside world in the first stanza or his alienation in his own house in the second stanza. Special feature of the poem. The poet has used the special effects of visual imagery to describe the theme of loneliness. The images of local train, late evening, yellow light, unseen eyes, dimmed eyes are remarkable. The use of imagery is clearly evident in the poem. Whether the poet is sketching the image of his father as an old man with words like eyes dimmed, fade homeward, grey platform, or describing his father's appearance, soggy shirt and pants, black raincoat, stained with mud, chappal sticky with mud, or comparing the disembarking of his father from the crowded train as a word dropped from a long sentence. The strong use of imagery makes the poem thoroughly appealing to the readers. Message of the poem. The underlying message of the poem, generation gap in the modern age has created disrespect for the elders. In spite of all the odds, the father devoted his life for the children. It is a courtesy to treat the seniors with dignity and respect. We should not forget their contributions in our lives. Grey hair should always be respected. Old is our treasure. We can get life lessons from them. They can teach us about enduring changes and handling life's challenges. We should accompany them and care for them. Our company will keep estrangement away from them. Your opinion about the poem. Here I am giving my opinion. This poem is an account of any old man who works hard for his family but leads a pathetic and miserable life, being uncared and unloved. The old people have precious wisdom to share with us. The younger ones must learn the significance of respecting the elders by spending quality time with them. We should be blessed with their company. Overall, I find the poem highly relevant to today's world. The aspect that I like the most about the poem is the simplicity with which it conveys a strong message to the readers. Best luck for studies. Thank you very much.